Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I needed something here to be able to lift stuff up and a jack to do some things, and I was looking at some stuff online, and honestly I thought about this before I saw something like it online, and I thought maybe my viewers hadn't seen this before or thought about this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a scissor jack hack. Yes, there's other ones out there. I'm not sure if there's this one on YouTube. This particular jack came out of a 2001, 2002 Buick Century. It's going to do exactly what I want it to do when I get it done here. So let's look at what I have and what I did, and we'll go from there and see what you think and see if you saw this before. This is the jack from one of these Buicks, of course. So basically what you would do is you take this out and you'd turn it as such to bring it up, bring it down. But of course what I noticed right off was you have a nice bolt head here on the end, and really all you have is these two little humps here that actually hold this handle in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take care of those humps. Oh, gotta get that little bit there at the bottom. And there it is. It's out of there. So now you know what comes next. So now I got my convenient to carry Milwaukee stubby 3/8. So basically we'll put it on there, and it's a 19mm socket, fits wonderfully. And there it is. So there you have it, pretty quick and easy. I'm sure there's other scissor jacks that they don't have that bolt head on the end, that you may have to weld some kind of bolt or something on there. But look at the type of scissor jack that you have in some of your junk cars. That's what mine were, junkers, and I'll tell you what, this is going to be very handy in the future. So there you go, a little bit of a hack. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching.